Everyone, welcome to Update Upgrade. I am Nitish Srivastav. Let's begin the Hindu analysis of 17th of August 2020. So the article Adversities Has Mellowed the Leader is written by Harish Khare. He is senior journalist based in Delhi. He has discussed the various aspects of PM Narendra Modi's speech and tried to highlight how the country has slipped up badly under his watch in last 12 months. In his speech of Independence Day, he tried to assure the common people that the country is in safe hand. Also, it was different in a manner how it used to be in earlier days of his regime. His promise of victory in 21 days against coronavirus didn't work, and it turned out to be just one more empty promise. India is facing huge problem on various fronts, but no one is criticizing the government and its policies. Issues of migrant labor should be raised by common people and politicians. Already participation in Bhumi Pujan has created apathy in the 200 millions of Muslims in India. Earlier PM speech used to be full of drum beating of success, and will and dreams used to be important pillars of the speech. At this time also he raised hope by announcement of free COVID vaccine and its production and distribution strategy. Lastly, there was no mention of China or Pakistan. This was entirely different from his earlier trend because such feast and xenophobia actually contribute to major share in the vote bank. Author concludes that PM Narendra Modi should understood that his summits and diplomatic strategies are not working as country has suffered humiliation on military kind. Author says Narendra Modi regime must work on scaling up the people from middle class to ensure Atmanirbhar Bharat. Today, the country is celebrating the martyrdom of Madan Lal Dhingra, who was one of the youngest revolutionary who sacrificed his life for India. He was from a wealthy family and having close relation with British officials. On 17th August 1909, he sacrificed his life for the nation. He stated on this day, I hold the Englishman responsible for the killing of 8 crore Indians during the last 50 years. I hold them accountable for looting 10 crore pounds every year from India. As the Germans do not have right to rule this country, so the British also do not enjoy any right to capture and rule India. In such a situation, it is perfectly just to kill Englishmen who are polluting our sacred land. Earlier, on 1st July 1909, he murdered Curzon Valley. He was inspired by Veer Savarkar and he was the member of India House in London. Some of his famous statements, I am proud to have the honor of laying down my life for my country, but remember, we shall have our time in the days to come. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, please subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you.